Airline passengers from the 6 Muslim-majority countries on President Trump's revised travel order have been allowed to board flights to the United States. The move comes after a federal judge blocked the immigration and refugee executive order, which was specifically designed not to discriminate on the basis of religion.
The fact that there was such great pains to make the language more neutral actually served as a pretext. It actually showed that they were trying even harder to mask what was a religious animus, and animus just means, basically a hostility.
The revised order is less restrictive than the first. It excludes legal permanent residents and existing visa holders. President Trump's first travel order, which was signed in January, was more sweeping than the second revised one. It applied to nationals of these 7 nations, which includes Iraq, for 90 days. All refugees were blocked for 120 days. Syrian refugees were banned indefinitely. The revised order no longer applies to citizens from Iraq, and it removes the specific block on Syrian refugees. The Washington State Attorney General, who initiated the suspension of the first order, welcomed the temporary block of the revised one.
You bet. Yeah, hi everybody. That's exactly what we're seeking, exactly what Matt and the Northwest Immigrant Rights Project is seeking, exactly what the plaintiffs in the case in Maryland are seeking, what all of my colleagues, states like New York, California, Maryland, Massachusetts, Oregon, what we are all seeking. So it's fantastic news.
In the U.S. state of Maryland, the plaintiff, a group of refugee associations, questioned Donald Trump's security argument.
If there are real threats, then those threats should be investigated on an individual basis. But we shouldn't assume that any group or religion is more dangerous than another group. We want to return to a system where threats are investigated on an individual basis, not on the basis of religion.
Trump said the decision by the judge in Hawaii was an example of what he described as unprecedented judicial overreach. He said he would take the case as far as it needs to go, even to the Supreme Court. The order was temporarily frozen just hours before it was supposed to go into effect.